Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace headlight assembly, the whole headlight on Audi A4 B6, guys. So stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that. We'll demonstrate straight on the front right headlight. Okay, you can see because the passenger side, because this one is actually easier, and I'll show you why. Here you have the air intake that you need to remove, okay, and on this side you don't have that, so that's the only difference. So now we'll need to remove two screws with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, right here, so we can pull the intake out, okay, like that. That's it. Next, guys, okay, right here we have one hidden bolt, and do not take this one all the way off. We're using a Torx 30. You will be able to find the links for the tools on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. Just get it loose, do not take it off. We have two more on top here. Okay, we're done with those now. So after you remove the two on top, you get that one loose. There is one more that we need to get loose, guys, and be careful not to remove it all the way. It's right there with the same T30. Okay, it's a little bit hard to get to, but okay, it's right there. That's good. We don't need to take it all the way out. Okay, and then you can grab the headlight and it should come out. Unless it's stuck somewhere, but usually it'll come out and you'll need to disconnect all the wires now. Okay, and unfortunately this one is broken. People don't know how to remove those clips. The Audi clips, we'll have a video how to do that, guys, so you can avoid doing that, because as you can see this one is done, and if you break it, it's hard to remove it after that, and it's almost impossible to get it locked in place. Okay, and pull it out, guys. This is the headlight right here, the whole assembly. So that's how you guys remove it. If you want to replace it, all you need to do is put it back together and install it in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.